Let's go, White! Play hard! Let's go, White. Bring some heart out here now. Let's go. There we go. That's all right. There you go. I ain't got time to think about that. Just get down here. Spread them out, White. Spread them out. Spread them out. Make them work. Somebody cut. Open up a lane. There you go. All right, let's run it. Let's run it, White. Hustle up. We in this thing. All right, where are we supposed to be? Good job, Cade. Nice hands. Nice hands. Play him tough. Smother him, White. Smother that ball. Make him commit. Help be ready. Help be ready. Help be ready. It's a kick. Side out, White. Come on. There it is, Reed. Right back up. That's way to go right back up, though, Steven. Okay. Lock him up, lock him up. The help better be ready out here. Come on. All right. Over and back. All right. There you go. Nice pressure. Hustle, Elijah. Hustle. Get off the floor. Back up. There you go. There you go. There you go. Right back up. Let's go, defense. Help me ready. Talk, talk, talk now. Help me ready. See ball and man. Somebody be ready for a charge. Good job, White. That's the way you play. Come on, let's get a score and a stop. Help, help. Cut it off, cut it off. There you go. There you go. Good job, Steven. Stay aggressive. There you go. There you go. Let's go, fellas. Do it again. Come on back. Come on, help. Shake it off. Keep moving. Shake it off and keep moving. Quick memory loss. Get back, get back, get back. Stay low, stay low, stay low. Stay low, stay with him. There you go. What? Man. Good job, Phillip. Keep that up. Get low, guys, get low. Strip them low. Time to bounce if you got to. Strip them low. Don't worry, you can't teach height. Just keep going. Way to be ready. There you go, Cade. Good job. Come on, defense. Hands up. I know you're getting tired. Keep your head in the game. Come on, help. Come on, help. There you go. Don't let him come in there with that wild stuff. You get ready. Move it. Don't let him set up. There you go. Back up, back up, back up. Okay, help, where are you? Help. Good job, stay aggressive. That's all right, 14, stay with it. Keep going. Be ready to follow. Side to side, come on. Who's got him? Who's got him? Excellent rebound. Spread them out, spread them out, spread them out. Hustle back. Cut it off. There you go. All right, help be ready. Help be ready, White. Help defense, help. There you go, good job. Push. Follow y'all. Okay, good job, Steven. Help defense. There you go. Wall, put the wall up. Stay low. So, hey, what's that? For real? Man, please. We just dislodging people now. Okay. Almost. Stay aggressive, though. I want that same aggression. Keep that aggression up. That's what I'm talking about. Make them smell your breath, White. Stay in the face. Be ready. Hands up. Play him tough, but no foul. Play him tough. There you go. Let's run it back. White. Just come on back. Find your man. Help be ready. There you go. Coming back this way. Spread them out. Side out. Follow. There you go. Follow. Thank you. Good job, guys. Keep it up. Know where you're supposed to be. All right. And hustling. Defense. Heads up. Come on, help. Be ready. Keep talking. Good job, guys. Well, they got us. I thought they played hard, though, man. I thought they played an excellent game.
I was impressed with their offense.
Yes. Okay. I was really.